Welcome to our latest listing in the Lakes of the Four Seasons. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it spans over 2,200 square feet. I'd love to take you in for a tour. This property is updated inside and out. It has everything you need and it's move-in ready. Come on and join me for a tour. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour of this beautiful property. The property address is 4292 Park Place in Crown Point, Indiana. We are in the Lakes of the Four Seasons community. So if you have any questions about this property, please feel free to reach out at any time.